Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. This is Voltaren gel and I found it really helpful. This is a 1.7 ounce container and it comes in a little tube that's really easy to use with the included dosing card. So it has an easy open cap, which is great if you're somebody that has sore joints. That is easy to get it off. So the way that it works is you apply the gel to the dosing card so you know how much to use, and it makes it really simple. The gel has a very light, clean scent and it's not greasy, and it rubs into your skin really easily. It's kind of moisturizing and feels good on your skin. So once you have applied it and rubbed it in really well, you want to make sure that you don't put your clothes back on over it for about 10 minutes to let it fully absorb. I think this is a great product and I have found it really helpful for me for the discomfort that I was feeling. So I would recommend it and see if it can help you. And that's my point of view.